people! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday God, it's another day in January. Has it ever actually ended? The 31st. And I'm on my study day and I'm just trying to do some uni work and my head's just like, there's not enough room for shit and, like, pardon my language, there's not enough room for everything. My desk is a mess, everything's a mess, so I'm sorting my bedroom out because I'm annoyed, to be honest. So yeah, this is the current situation that we're in. So I shall show you the mess that I've made so far. So I've got all of this on my bed at the moment. So I've got like some coats and stuff for me to put up there. I've got some stuff to do with like all my eBay stuff that I've been selling, some uni stuff for me to sort out. This is a Superdrug order that's just came. That's got my laptop in I need to put away, blah blah blah. These are all clothes that need folding and putting away. These are all clothes that need hanging up. I've just kind of shoved them in there for now whilst I've been sorting out. I've got recycle bin, normal bin. This I haven't even started tackling yet, and let's not even look there. I've got all this going on here. There's me and my my Lion King pajamas. I'm gonna look massive. It's because I always get my pajamas like size like bigger, so it just makes you look like huge, but so comfy. Yeah, I've got Spotify on the go. I've got all this laid out here, so I've got loads of these neat protein powders that I want to start trying. I've got some coffee I need to take downstairs, some stuff from when I filmed yesterday. These are like stuff I've been using to organise my YouTube videos, and then obviously just my normal perfumes. And then down here I've got absolutely loads of different things. So this big box here has loads of stuff that I'm either going to sell or I'm going to give, like, donate or put in giveaways and stuff like that. Most of it's stuff that has never ever been used. A lot of it is like, sometimes I buy stuff in bulk when they're on offer in shops and stuff to then sell on. So like I got all of these Release limited edition ones in the clearance for £5, and I think they're normally like 17, 15, something crazy like that, because it's like quite the big bottles, like the 75ml. So I've got loads of them for me to sell. I've got some Veen, oh I don't know how to pronounce this, but I've got some of these that were reduced to £6. So I'm going to be selling loads of stuff on eBay, so I will leave that link down below if you do want to check it out. It's up to you, you don't have to. So yeah, I need to sort that out, but that's not today's task, that can be another day's task. I've got some protein powder and stuff in here that Blake gave me that I want to try. I did actually try one of the nutrition ones because I took this to Blake with me the other week with some of the neat ones. So I think what I'm going to do is this little Lion King bag that I've got. You all know I'm obsessed with Lion King. I'm going to put all my protein powders that I've got in here, and then because I've realised that all my other protein powders are all out of date, so I need to start using these, otherwise I'm going to be in the same situation again and it's just an absolute waste, and I'm sick of wasting things. So yeah, that's that. This is a bag that I haven't even like started to really plough through yet. This is a bag that I haven't even really started to sort out properly yet. These are some slippers that are from my nana for Christmas and I haven't seen it yet to give her them. My Lion King skinny dip bag. This is actually a box that I put together for my sister. So it's the company Juice sent me some stuff. So I'm just reusing the box, and I've put loads of like makeup and stuff in there for her, for my 12-year-old sister, so for Megan. So I just need to give her that. So I just need to sort this one out. I don't think this one's going to be too bad. And then I'm going to put all of these bags that I've got. So I've got that, but I've also got this bag. It's just full of bags, and I'm going to put it in my car because I'm sick of not having bags when I'm going shopping, because I bring them in the house and then forget to put them back in my car. So I'm going to do that. This is just a mixture of giveaway prizes, stuff stuff that I need to sort out. I think that is going to be my task for today as well as YouTube stuff. There's some pads. Is I'm going to try and sort out all my giveaway prizes that I haven't already announced and blah blah blah. I think one of them I need to repick because, let me just put you back up here. Hello. I think one of them I need to repick because she didn't reply, and it's been like, I've given her like months, like it's been months for her to reply to say that, like, that she knows she's wondering what to addresses and stuff. So yeah, that is kind of a plan for today. So wish me luck. I was at 3, what's the chance that you roll with me? Talking about we don't have fun, you don't cheat. I'ma buy you a drink, I'ma take you home with me. We in the bad light, oh, we in the bad light. Oh, baby, I'ma tell you what to do. 1 3 for shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. When I tell you something, I wanna hold your hand, and when I touch you, I feel heaven inside. When I say that something, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand. Everybody else too lazy to actually turn the tops the right way around for them, hang them up, because if it's inside out, I'm gonna have to just turn it the right way around when it comes to it. So I'm too lazy for that. Too lazy. Heartbroken and I don't know what to say. I never felt this way. By the way, obviously, ignore the absolute state of me. I'm still like breaking. I'll just turn this down a little bit more. I'm still kind of like breaking out and on the aftermath of like healing from me having a mixture of trying my mum's makeup, touching my face a lot when I was at uni, and also just stress as well. So please ignore my face and ignore my hair, because my hair was like perfectly fine yesterday, and then like during the day it was fine, and then it got to the night time and it just all of a sudden became greasy. And like I didn't have this planned. Like, what are you playing at? I've got no dry shampoo, so I'm just gonna have to rock it until I have a shower today. I just thought if I go get a shower now and then come out of the shower, I'll sit in my towel for like 3 hours. Well, not really 3 hours, but you know what I mean. You sit in your towel for like forever, don't you? Like, why won't this focus? It's really pissing me off. Had a one-hand feel on his steering wheel, the other on my heart. Look around, turn the radio down. He said, baby, is something wrong? I say nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song. And he says, sneaking out, tapping on your window, waiting for the phone, and you talk real slow, 'cause late and your mama don't know. First day, man, I didn't kiss her and I should have. I got home before I said amen, asking God if he could play it again. Everything that day had gone all wrong and being trampled on, and I left him on way to my loving bed. I almost didn't notice all the roses, and I know that sad. I love like old school Taylor Swift as well. I don't know if any of you like. I like her new songs as well, but old school Taylor Swift is where it was at. I'm hoping that by having the music so quiet that you can't hear it that much, but I can, so I can sing along to it, would mean that I can put it up and not get copyright. We shall see what happens. Especially Usher, like when I did that video when I was getting ready for my night out, Usher was the one that was like, no, you can't have this in. And I was like, okay. I found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. And everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, fucked around. After all that, this is what I found. I can't do that, no. Be alone if you touch by the words of the song, baby. When you're on the phone, hang up and you call right back.